In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight in Google Slides in just a few minutes. Whether you're preparing a presentation for school, work, or organizing ideas, knowing how to effectively highlight text will make your slides more engaging and easier to understand. Highlighting not only emphasizes important points, but also helps guide your audience's attention where it matters most. Start by opening Google Slides in your preferred web browser and sign in to your Google account. Being signed in is essential because it allows you to create, edit, and save your presentations. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you can choose to start a blank presentation or select a template for a faster design setup. Templates are especially useful if you want a consistent look and feel across all your slides, while blank presentations allow full creative freedom. Both options will open the slide editor where you can begin crafting your content. Once inside the editor, select the text you want to highlight by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Highlighting draws attention to key points, improves readability, and adds visual interest. If you want to highlight an image, simply click on it to select it. You can also use highlighting strategically to break up large blocks of text and make your slides more digestible for your audience. Next, locate the highlight color option in the toolbar at the top of the screen. It's right next to the text color icon. Click the button to open a drop-down menu with various color choices. Pick a color that complements your slide's theme or provides contrast for maximum visibility. Consider using colors consistently throughout your presentation to establish a visual hierarchy. For example, use one color for headings and another for key points. Adjust and experiment with different shades until it looks just right. In addition to highlighting, you can combine this technique with bolding or italics to further emphasize text. This combination works well for key takeaways or important instructions. Remember to avoid over-highlighting, as too many colors can distract rather than guide your audience. Once you are satisfied with the highlights, preview your slides in presentation mode to ensure everything stands out clearly and maintains a professional look. And that's it. Your selected text or background is now highlighted. This simple feature makes your slides more professional, improves audience focus, and ensures important information stands out. With this skill, you can make your presentations clearer, more effective, and visually appealing. Consistent use of highlighting throughout your presentation can significantly improve comprehension and retention for your audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Experiment with these techniques in your next presentation, and you'll notice a big difference in how your audience engages with your slides. Thanks for watching, and happy highlighting.